Hey, it's Parth. So I've been wanting to create a gameplay of this app for a while, mainly because I found a lot of cheats and this amazing sound to go with it.
Make it rain, tree. Make it rain, tree.
Some tips on how to be a millionaire, billionaire, and virtually extremely rich on this game. First, make money, invest in the financial investments. This will let you make a lot of money overnight, so then you can wake up a millionaire. Moving on to the business investments. Buy it immediately. As soon as you have enough money to buy these, just buy it. This will let you to have a backup strategy so you can make a lot of money when the other strategies don't work. Now, the cheat. To make a lot of money, upgrade your bucket to the best you can make it, then change the time to sometime in the future. There you have it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.